Sarah's new sports car is undeniably high maintenance, requiring frequent trips to the mechanic and specialized cleaning to keep it in pristine condition. Managing a high-maintenance client can be challenging, as their demands for constant updates and personalized attention can be overwhelming. The elaborate garden design looked stunning, but it proved to be high maintenance with its intricate pruning and meticulous watering schedule. Jake's high-maintenance grooming routine includes a daily facial regimen, regular haircuts, and meticulous styling that takes hours each morning. The luxury yacht came with a beautiful interior, but its high-maintenance materials required constant care to prevent wear and tear from the sea. Tina's high-maintenance pet parrot needed a carefully balanced diet, a spacious cage, and plenty of mental stimulation to keep it happy. The high-maintenance software demanded regular updates and constant troubleshooting, making it a headache for the IT department. Living in a historic mansion was a dream come true, but its aging infrastructure proved to be high maintenance, requiring constant repairs and renovations. Julia's high-maintenance personality meant that she often required reassurance and attention from her friends to feel secure. The high-maintenance celebrity demanded a private dressing room, specific catering options, and a team of personal assistants to cater to their every need. The high-maintenance fashion model insisted on having her own hairstylist, makeup artist, and wardrobe consultant at every photo shoot. Despite its breathtaking beauty, the high-maintenance bonsai tree needed meticulous care, precise pruning, and a strict watering routine. Mark's high-maintenance apartment complex boasted luxurious amenities, but the monthly fees were steep due to the constant maintenance and upkeep. The high-maintenance vacation resort offered unparalleled luxury, but guests often found themselves adhering to a strict schedule of activities and events. Lisa's high-maintenance friendship required frequent phone calls, lengthy discussions, and constant emotional support. The high-maintenance antique clock required delicate winding and careful adjustments to keep it running accurately. The high-maintenance software system demanded a team of experts to monitor, troubleshoot, and update it regularly. The diva's high-maintenance behavior backstage included demands for specific lighting, temperature, and a particular brand of bottled water. Owning a high-maintenance thoroughbred horse meant adhering to a rigorous training regimen, meticulous grooming, and specialized dietary needs. The high-maintenance gourmet chef insisted on using only the freshest and most exotic ingredients, resulting in extraordinary dishes, but also a challenging sourcing process.